Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Willys in granite crystal metallic. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 62,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D8024.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.